Hey Student Success, welcome to week 10. We're in the double digits, so we're getting very close to the end of our semester, which means another quick workshop plug reminder. At this point in the semester, when you go in and see the workshops that are left, you're going to see that the offerings are going to start dwindling. So please make sure that you go ahead and get registered soon, attend that workshop, and submit your certificate of attendance for credit for that particular assignment. So let's go ahead and jump into week 10. You're going to see that week 10 is a carryover from week 9 in terms of chapter 11. So chapter 11 is copied inside your video folder. So if you needed to go back and look at that chapter lecture again, you are welcome to. For week 10 assignment purposes, there is no discussion forum. So attendance is based on just completing this one assignment. So let me walk you through it. All right. Here it is. This is a resume related assignment, and you can go one of two ways with this. So first, it says make a list of 5 experiences, 5 qualifications, and 3 references that you will put on a future resume. You don't have to give names for your references. It could just be like former employer, former teacher, former whoever it is, instructor at the college. So that's how you can do that. But when it says 5 experiences, 5 qualifications, that's 13 different things. 5 experiences and 5 qualifications are different things. 5 experiences are things that you've done, jobs that you've had, internships, volunteering, job shadowing, any kind of experience that would be beneficial to you. 5 qualifications are things that you have, your abilities, your characteristics, okay? So kind of keep that in mind when it comes to that. So that's the first thing you're going to answer is the 5 experiences, 5 qualifications, and 3 references. Then the second question is what kind of job, internship, or other experience could you have now that will strengthen your resume? So I want to make sure, again, you understand this is not like your ideal resume. This is not your dream resume. If you were creating a resume tomorrow, what 5 experiences, 5 qualifications, and references would you put on there? So it's not like by the time I graduate, here's what I'll have done. It's like, what could you do now? Then question 2 is basically asking you, okay, what haven't you done that you could do? Could you go after an internship? Could you go after a job shadow, a co-op, a part-time job, a volunteer? Could you join a club or an organization? Like what things could you do to build on the resume that you will be creating in that first one? That's the first way that you could go about this. And it says answer these questions in 3 to 5 sentences. So you can separate them out if you want to do, when you go in here under create submission, you can certainly 1, 2, and do it that way, or you can combine them in one paragraph. The second way you could go about this is, let's say you already have a resume, you could always just upload your resume. And if something is not on your resume that is asked for right here, put it in the little comment area. So let's say your resume already has these things, your experiences, your qualifications, and your references. So in the little comment area, just talk about how you could strengthen it even further. Or if your resume is missing a couple of these pieces, upload your resume and then put in the comments, here's what I would add if I had to rewrite it right now. Okay. If you don't have a resume, you don't have to create one just for this assignment. You can just answer these questions. All right, so that is all you are doing for this week. It's chapter 11 assignment, thinking about your resume, addressing these questions, again, building your resume as if you were putting it together today or tomorrow. What items could you include? What experiences, what qualifications, what references could you include on there right now? And then what could you do to further build it? If you have any questions on this, please reach out and let me know. Have a great week.